Hi everybody, I'm Shreyas from MDAV Public School Hyderabad, and today I'm going to do this project on Google Slides Advanced, and the topic given here, as you can see, is school activities, and here are some instructions given. So first I'll read all the instruction, then I'll show you my presentation. So the first instruction given is create a Google slide presentation with minimum 12 slides. So I've already created the presentation. In the first slide, show three options in the slide. One is school concert, second is sports day, and third is exit. On selecting first option, it should show your slides with information on your school concert. On selecting second option, it should show your slides with information on sports day. The content should be presented with images, videos, very well formatted. At the end, it can redirect to the first slide from which the student can select other option. If he selects exit option, it should show the thank you slide. Share the slide presentation with one of your friend. So now I'll go to my Google Slides project. So as you can see, this is my project. The heading I've given is school activities, and you can open Google Slides by typing slides.google.com, or you can also open it through Google Apps icon. So now I'll be showing you my presentation. So I can click present, or I can simply use the shortcut Control plus F5. So I'm clicking present now. So uh, now I'll click enter, and the topic, as I've told you, school activities, and that's the heading. And I've given three options: school concert, sports day, and exit, as it is said in instruction. So now I'll click school concert. So if I click, it will show me the content related to school concert. So I've used animation here. So here is the basic definition of school concert, which happens in my school monthly. So you can just pause the video and read it more. And so going with the next one. So the next one is music in the concert. So I'll click next again. So the first one is classical, and here I've inserted an image of classical music. And going with the next one. The next one is western, and again I've inserted an image of western music. And in the next one, that is rap and karaoke, and with animation I've inserted an image again, that is rap and karaoke. So if I click next, it will take me to the first slide again, from which I can choose the next option. So now I'll be choosing sports day, and I'll get information on sports day of our school. So I'll click next. Sports day in our school has various games with all the specialities, which with boost the child in both physical and mental way. And the next one is types of sports. I've given three types which happens in our school: indoor, outdoor, and brain booster. So here I've also inserted uh, a video from YouTube. So now I'll be playing it for you. It is 8 minutes. I'll just show you. The heading is real importance of sports. It's a TEDx video. So, so this is the video I've inserted, and going with the next one. Again, it'll take me to the first slide, and now if I click exit, it'll take me to the thank you slide, as it was set to be done in the instructions. So now I'm clicking exit, and here you can see this is the thank you slide. And I have also inserted two slides more. uh, I'll go to the present option again, and I've also used slide transition for all the slides. So this is the transition, and in the next slide I've given my info: Shreyas Shriram 10th standard MDAV Public School Hyderabad, and here I've given the image of my city name Hyderabad. And going with the next one, the last slide is thanks for watching. So I've inserted exactly 12 slides as it was said to be done in the instruction. Now going with the features that I used: applying theme or templates in presentation. So I've used templates. So now I'll be showing you the template I used. I as lookbook. So I'll go to slides.google.com in a new tab. So here you'll get so many templates, and you can just click the template gallery and you can choose any template you want. So for this project I've used the template lookbook. So I completed the first feature. That the next one is add headers and footers in master slide for your presentation. I've used headers and footers in the master slide, and I can view the master slide from the view tab, and I'll click master. So 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 this is the master slide. Header and footer is already inserted, but the process is same for everything. So I've completed the second feature: apply formatting to the content. I've used basic formatting like I'll open this tab, this slide for instance. So as you can see, I've changed the font style, font color, font size, and I've given proper alignments. And with this, for almost every slide, I've done certain basic formatting, and I've completed this feature also. And going with the next one, add images, shapes, videos, and links. I've added shape in almost every slide. As you can see, this is the shape of an arrow, and here also I've added a shape to my left side, and I've added shapes and images. As you can see, I've added so many images. For example, here's one. So in order to add an image, you have to click insert, click the image option, and you can upload it from your computer, search the web, drive, photos, by URL, cameras. There are so many options. And when I showed you the presentation, I've also inserted a video. As you can see, this is the one here which I took it from YouTube, and I've also inserted links. So uh, I've used the link from one slide to another. So if I click, um, so when I showed you the presentation, if I click the school concert, it will take me to the other slide which shows me the details related to school concert. So I've used link. So it's then the same way I clicked insert, and in order to link something, you have to select a particular thing, and you have to click link here, and it already has a link, so I can link this also. So link, there are two options: either you can paste a link, or you can link with the slides in this presentation. So I've used the second method, which I linked the slides in this presentation. So I've used everything of these, and I've showed you the process also. That is images, shapes, videos, and links. And the next one is transition and animation. I've used transition for every slide, and again I'll be showing you only two slides. I'll show you to view the basic transition and animation I've done. So as you can see, the heading is animation, and if I click enter, this is a transition, fade, and again animation, transition again. So I've used transition and animation for every slide I've made, and in order to put transition and animation, you have to click slide and click change transition for the transition you have applied. And so the transition is fade. You can choose anything from this, and in the same column you'll find add animation also, so you can select a particular text, an image or a shape, so you can click add animation. So I didn't select it. Now you can add animation, and you can choose any animation you want. So I've completed this feature also, that is transition and animation. Now the next one is share feature. So in order to share, you have to either click the share icon. I've already shared it with one person. Now I'll be showing you how to share with another person. It's basically how to share. So here you can click the share icon to share, or in the file tab you can click share from here. So I'll be clicking share from this place, and you can type the name of the person with whom you want to share. So you can also add a note. I'll just add a note presentation. So here you'll get three options. So the person with whom you're going to share can edit, can comment, can view. I'll give the option can view. So so next I'll click send. So it is being sent. And now again if I click, it'll be shared with Sriram Kalidas and Ramya Sriram, my friends. So I've shared with two people, and I've also showed you the process to share. So I've completed all the instruction and all the features, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.